Your tax refund is costing you thousands, maybe even hundreds of thousands, in future wealth. I know that refund check feels like a little gift, a bonus from the universe after a long year. But if you're treating it like found money to spend on impulse, you're making a massive mistake. It's tempting to see it as found money, something extra to spend on that new gadget, a weekend getaway, or those shoes you've been eyeing. And who can blame us? We work hard for our money, and a lump sum like that feels like a well-deserved treat. But what if I told you that by simply shifting your mindset about your tax refund, you could build a stronger financial future, gain true peace of mind, and even accelerate your path to real wealth? Because here's what most people miss. Your tax refund isn't found money at all. It's your money that you overpaid to the government throughout the year, essentially giving them an interest-free loan. And now you have a crucial opportunity to put that money to work for you instead of letting it slip through your fingers. Let's flip the script on how we think about tax refunds. Today, we're going to dive into 7 smart, empowering ways to use your tax refund to build genuine financial security and wealth. These aren't just tips, they're strategic moves that can seriously change your financial trajectory. 1. Reframe your refund. The very first step is mental. Stop thinking of your tax refund as a bonus or extra cash. This mindset makes it easy to spend frivolously. Instead, consider it a forced savings account that's just matured. You earned this money. It was taken from your paychecks throughout the year, and now it's being returned to you. Approaching it with this intentionality immediately puts you in the driver's seat. This isn't extra. This is part of your hard-earned income, ready to be deployed strategically. Think of it as a tool, not a treat, especially when you're still working towards financial stability. 2. Attack high-interest debt with laser focus. Before you even think about investing in the stock market, you need to address any high-interest debt you might have, especially credit card debt. I know how crushing it can feel to see those balances, and it's tempting to ignore them or just pay the minimum. But here's the stark reality. Credit card interest rates often exceed 20% and sometimes even climb past 30%. That's a guaranteed return you're losing every single month. Imagine trying to get a 20 to 30% return on an investment in 1 year. It's incredibly difficult and risky. But paying down credit card debt is a guaranteed 20% plus return on your money because you're eliminating that high interest drain. Let's say you have an average tax refund of about $3,000, which was the average in 2023 for many filers. If you put that $3,000 towards a credit card balance with a 25% APR, you're instantly saving yourself $750 in interest per year. That's real money you're keeping in your pocket, not handing over to the credit card company. Prioritizing this debt relief isn't just smart, it's financially liberating. It clears the path for future investing by removing a significant drag on your finances. 3. Fortify your emergency fund. After high-interest debt, your emergency fund is your next critical stop. Life is unpredictable. Cars break down, unexpected medical bills appear, jobs can be lost. Having a robust emergency fund is not just a good idea, it's a non-negotiable cornerstone of financial peace. It acts as a safety net, protecting you from having to dip into investments or, worse, rack up more high-interest debt when life throws a curveball. I remember my friend Sarah, who meticulously built up her emergency fund. A few years ago, her car transmission completely died, a repair that cost over $2,500. Instead of panicking, taking out a loan, or putting it on a high-interest credit card, she calmly pulled the money from her emergency fund. That calm, that peace of mind, is what an emergency fund truly buys you. It's not about making money, it's about not losing money and not stressing out when the inevitable happens. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months worth of essential living expenses. If your fund is looking a little thin, your tax refund is the perfect opportunity to beef it up. Knock 4. Max out your retirement accounts. Your future self will thank you. Once your high-interest debt is gone and your emergency fund is solid, it's time to think long-term wealth building. And that means retirement accounts. We're talking 401ks, IRAs, Roth or traditional, and other tax-advantaged accounts. These are arguably the best places to invest your money because they offer incredible benefits, like tax deductions now or tax-free growth later. If your employer offers a 401k match, contributing enough to get that full match is literally free money. Don't leave that on the table. But beyond the match, your tax refund can be a powerful accelerator. Imagine you put that average $3,000 tax refund into a Roth IRA every year, and it grows at an average annual rate of 8%. After 30 years, that initial $3,000 alone would be worth nearly $30,000. Now imagine doing that every single year. Consistent contributions of $3,000 annually growing at 8% for 30 years could turn into over $339,000. That's the mind-blowing power of compound interest working for you over time. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about getting rich slowly and surely by consistently putting your money where it can grow and multiply. Diversify with a brokerage account for other goals. So you've tackled debt, built your emergency fund, and maxed out your retirement accounts? Fantastic! Now you're in a prime position to consider a taxable brokerage account. This is where you can invest for midterm goals that aren't necessarily retirement-focused, like a down payment on a house, your child's education, or even a future sabbatical. Unlike retirement accounts, you can access your money in a brokerage account at any time, though your gains will be subject to capital gains taxes. It offers flexibility and another avenue for your money to grow beyond what tax-advantaged accounts allow. You can invest in a wide range of assets, from individual stocks and bonds to exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and mutual funds, helping you diversify your portfolio even further. 6. Invest in yourself. The best ROI. This one often gets overlooked, but investing in yourself can have one of the highest returns on investment you'll ever see. This next part might surprise you, but it's one of the most powerful investments you can make for yourself. What does that mean? It means using your refund for things that will increase your earning potential or improve your quality of life in a sustainable way. This could be education, taking a course to learn a new skill, getting a certification, or attending a workshop relevant to your career. Health, investing in healthier habits like a gym membership or consultations with a nutritionist, which can pay dividends in energy and productivity. Career development, purchasing tools or software that make you more efficient, or even professional coaching. Maybe you've always wanted to learn coding, or get that real estate license, or hone your public speaking skills. That refund could be the catalyst. I've seen countless people elevate their income and career prospects simply by strategically investing in their own knowledge and abilities. Your skills are your greatest asset. Make them sharper. 7. Conscious spending. A small intentional treat, if everything else is solid. I'm a realistic coach. I understand that financial discipline doesn't mean you can never enjoy your money. If you've diligently worked through points 1 to 6, meaning high interest debt is gone, your emergency fund is healthy, and your retirement contributions are on track, then it's absolutely okay to set aside a small, pre-planned portion of your refund for something that brings you joy. The key here is small and pre-planned. Don't let the entire refund disappear on impulse buys. Maybe it's a nice dinner out, a concert ticket, or something that truly improves your well-being without derailing your financial progress. The goal isn't deprivation, it's intentionality and balance. But please resist the urge to treat the entire refund as fun money until your financial foundations are rock solid. Think of it this way. You've earned the peace of mind that comes from being financially secure. Now you can truly enjoy a small treat without any underlying guilt or stress. So, there you have it. 7 powerful ways to transform your tax refund from fleeting found money into a potent tool for building lasting wealth and financial peace. The common thread woven through all these points is intentionality. Don't just let your refund happen to you. Make a plan for it. Decide before that money even hits your bank account exactly where each dollar will go. This simple act of planning can make all the difference. Remember, your tax refund is an opportunity, not just a momentary windfall. Use it to fortify your financial future. Now, a quick but important note. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor before making significant financial decisions, as they can provide personalized guidance tailored to your unique situation. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but what's my first step? Your actionable takeaway today is this: don't wait for your refund to hit. Right now, pick one of these 7 steps that most applies to your current financial situation. Write it down and create a mini plan for how you'll use your next refund for that specific goal. The future version of you will be incredibly grateful. What will you do with your next refund? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more empowering financial tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.